I don't think she thought she spoke as much Yiddish as she did, because we were once walking in the street and we met a neighbor, and the neighbor was speaking to her in Yiddish and said something to me in Yiddish, and I answered her, and she said to me, "Oh, how come you speak and understand Yiddish?" I said, "Mama talks to me." And my mother turned around and said, "I speak Yiddish?" She thought, no. She says, "I speak English all the time." Yeah, I don't speak Yiddish all the time. I guess it got mixed. I do remember her speaking to her sisters and her mother when they all got together, and I would hide under the table and listen. My cousins were not interested. When I would come out and tell them things, they'd say, you're making it up, it's not true." Some things about family, about extended family that I knew because I heard, they wouldn't believe them. So I was a curious child and a little yenta, so, being able to speak Yiddish served me well.